What's up, everybody? This is Reverend Guns, and today we have the Judge from Taurus. So this is a 410/45 caliber. This guy borrowed this from actually uses it for the 410. He loads it with shotgun shells, and so the first thing we're gonna do is check to make sure it is empty and safe. So right here, it's a little button that you're going to push forward, and when you do, that will allow you to pop the cylinder out. See that? There we go. And you want to look inside and make sure all the cylinders are empty. Nothing in the holes. Now that we've checked it, we are good to go. So I'm going to grab my cleaner here real quick, and we are going to give this a little spray down. I'm also going to get the hammer as well. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to push the cylinder release back, and that'll allow you to pull back the hammer. So we'll get that as well. Oh yeah, got everything there. Alright, so while it's soaking, I'll explain what I've got going on around here. I've got a soft bristle brush. It's got a small end on it to get in the small crevices. I've got a harder bristle brush. Helps get the real stubborn stuff off of there. I don't use the brass or the metal brushes because I don't want to take the chance on scuffing up anything, scratching it, causing any type of blemish on it. So I stick with the bristles. That's more than enough to do what you need to do. I've got some gun oil here. I've got a rag for just gun oil. I've got a 45 caliber barrel brush. That's what we'll need for this one. I've got a slotted cleaning rod. We'll need that for when we finish cleaning out the barrel. We've got some patches here and some Q-tips come in handy, along with a couple of rags here to wipe stuff down as we go. So, not going to wait longer. We're going to go through and start cleaning out. And I think I'm going to start with the barrel and the cylinders. So, I take my brush and I do a nice thorough scrub through each hole. Alright, we'll also get down in the barrel, scrub that out real good, make sure we break apart anything that could be in there. Now we'll go through with the brush and start brushing everywhere we can. I'm pushing the cylinder pin in to make this pop out, just so I can get, like, everything happens right here, so I want to make sure I get all this clean. Get around the cylinder. Get anywhere you possibly want. Can't go wrong. Get inside the hammer a little bit. This particular pistol doesn't look like it's been fired, or if it has, it was very, very minimal. So it's actually pretty clean. We just want to kind of make sure it's got all the details worked out of it. Handle there. Let's get inside the chamber here. Around the sights. Alright, we're looking pretty good there. Let's swap the brush out for the slotted cleaning rod. I usually do like 2 at a time. Kind of fills up the barrel or the cylinder a little more. Gives it a good fill when you're pushing it through. was quite dirty in there, so we're gonna really go at it. We'll go use some Q-tips this time to get the rest out. I did pretty good. Oh yeah, that's better. We're also going to do the barrel. Like I said, I do a couple at a time. It's a wee bit dirty, so we're going to do that again. You want to keep doing this until you've got the barrel clean. And these little patches, they'll never be completely white when you go through this, but they will be a light gray. And that's how you know you don't want to see no more black on the patches. Yeah, see, there's really nothing on here. So that's what you're looking for. That's how you know you got everything out of the barrel. Right, let's give this a wipe down. Nice thing about revolvers, they're pretty simple to clean. Not much to have to take apart. Don't forget the little groove where the cylinder pin locks in. Alright. We look like we're pretty clean there. So now it's time for some lube. Now I have an oil rag just for gun oil. That way it's not contaminated with anything else. And we'll put a little bit on here. And there isn't many areas on here that you need to do. Basically, I do the bar in the cylinder itself just so it spins freely. And then kind of work it in a little bit. Oh yeah, that worked out nicely. Ain't much left to do but give it a final wipe down. Take my gloves off for this. And we will do a nice little final polish here. That looks real good. There you have it. We just took apart, cleaned, oiled, and put back together the Taurus Judge. Thanks for watching. I also offer the online course to get your Texas license to carry a handgun. It's the 4-hour class broken down into segments and saves you progress so you can do it at your own pace. After completing the course, you will be able to print your certificate. Then, it'll help you locate an instructor close to you, no matter where you are in Texas, so you can complete the shooting portion of the course. This is all certified by the Texas Department of Public Safety. Check it out at reverendguns.com. If you have any questions or comments, please add them below. Be sure to like and subscribe for more firearms education.